I forgot the name. Are you what is your name? AJ. Seryoso, ikaw ba yan? Are you blessed? Oh, God bless. It's your cousin, oh. You don't miss each other? It's Lola. Ay! Si Lola naka...
Ay, makakalimutan. Hindi mo na ako kukunan. Hi, Travis. Hi, Nicole. Welcome.
Wait lang, si Lola nakaano kasi.
Wala mo nang pangarabot. Kabamo na.
Magano muna si Lola.
Pala.
Pasok ka sandali.
Kailangan daw niya ng baka. Yung English niya, yung English.
Come inside, come inside.
Oh yeah, o ba? Oh yeah na, oh yeah.
Come here. Go inside.
Iba air din yung nakuha mo?
Dadis. Martin. Dadis. AJ.
Parang dalawang connecting place.
What a beautiful house pala. Danleti. Magdamit na po kayo kasi hindi po makakover yung ano.
Gawin say hi. That's for Martin.
It's... bless po.
Kaya nako pa
Po. It's Tito Ron. Handsome Tito Ron. Kumusta? Okay. Ayaw nila pumasok. So, ito po yung kanilang ano. Parang nakapag-ano na rin ako ah. Who is that? Gabin.
Saan na si Kuya Jerome?
Sana daw si Kuya Gerald.
Ano, daming...
Who is Gerald?
Paulia pa.
Paulia pa kano. It's ano, Paulia kano. Paano yun?
Oh. Oh.
He's going home later, around 3 p.m.
You with friends?
No, with auntie.
Oh, auntie.
Mag-stay ka akin eh. Okay. Wala, buti pa kayo papetex-petex na.
Top 19 vlogger in the Philippines.
It's ano,
So, Tekram.
it's
Almost popular.
no, it's not like that. It's nothing. No.
Gabis, Martin now, you can play with him.
Magilaw po kayo. Mapapanood nyo yung sarili nyo niya sa vlog.
First time ba? No?
Oo.
Hello, Saan mapapanood?
Sa channel po natin, sa Telegram. Para po napapanood po nila to.
I found sand.
Ito ba yung bunso? Ron? Are you blessed to me?
Yes, to Tito, Tekram.
Okay, God bless.
Ika, dito kayo. Lagi mo sila, ano, yung
Pasok, come in. Come to my house.
Just you, right? So you sat with two random people. Were you in the middle? Window?
On my first one, I was in the middle, and then I was on the aisle. No, I had a different one. I had one in Hawaii and then Guam.
Hawaii?
Yeah.
You stopped at Hawaii. We took a different route. So you went
Yours
down.
was
You
longer.
went down?
Yeah, like
Ba't di sila pumasok? Kuya, ba't di kayo pumasok?
Chicago was here and like Hawaii was
Noah.
like on this side.
Kuya Luis, dito na. Ate AJ is daughter of Kuya Ronron, Tito Ronron. And AJ is American citizen also. Yeah.
No, Pinoy.
Yeah.
You're bred here. You're born and bred. We're the local ones.
I
Yeah.
need help of putting this on the money. I need help.
We're like white
I need help to put the water out. Where's the egg? Where's the egg full of slime? There it is.
Nak, dito na. Come here. Don't be shy. Kuya Nawa, come here na. Nak. Dito na. Kuya. Kuya, wag mahiya. Kuya Nawa, dito na. Nak. Kuya, wag matigas ang ulo. Dito na.
So, dito kayo, dito tayo. Nawa.
Oh, elementary and
Basketball niya, hindi
oh,
ka
middle school.
We don't have middle school here.
Gusto nyo kasama mo?
Oh, you're right.
Hindi, ano, grade.
I need help.
It's grade 6 to 8 for middle school, right? Yeah, here grade 6 is elementary, and then 7 to 8 is like high school. Oh. 7, it's still 4 years. Yeah. So like 7 to 10 is your high school, and then
7 and 10.
instead of having middle school, they have senior high school.
So you guys have two less years.
10?
Because we have 12 years, 12 grades.
So that's like our middle school.
Oh. What's but 7 and 10 is high school, right? What about 11 and 12?
Senior high.
Senior high school?
So 7 to 10 junior.
So would you have to transfer, or is it still like the same place?
My hand.
Like the 11 and 12.
Our work's different. We have like
Like regular.
like if for elementary school or middle school.
They don't really call it that.
For
Like freshmen,
one school is like from pre-K all the way to 8th grade, and then high school is basically 9 to 12.
Meron ba silang mga school?
And then
Tinanong ko nga din ni Kuya Strand, hindi yan. Akala ko Strand pagka junior sa Strand. Ano Strand?
Like, meron sa ano, pwede ka mag-selective na classes, tapos parang kuha ka gusto mo parang STEM.
Like
Pag grade 11, grade 12, general pa.
Hindi, meron ng selective, like no 12 ako.
Where's Luis? Nak. Kuya, go to your cousin. Why? Kahit wag ka na magsalita.
Hindi yan, dito na lang mo.
Ba't ka mahiya? Kahit wag ka na magsalita. Ano na? Ba't ka mahiya?
Noah versus Ate Nicole.
Center, forward.
Kuya Nathaniel, your cousin there, Kuya Luis, na, ano, can you, ano?
Can you convince
Yeah, can you convince? Because he's so shy. Maybe you can convince him.
Luis, come here. Why not in the room? How do you say come here? Or
But-
follow me.
Yeah.
How do you say please? Follow me po.
Kuya, nahirapan siya.
We're talking about basketball. You don't want to come? Why not? You're going back home?
He's very shy. Convince him.
What do I say?
Because, no.
You're Tagalog. You could
Tara,
talk
sama
Tagalog.
ka.
I understand Tagalog.
Sama ka na sa amin, sabihin mo.
Sama ka na sa amin. Luis. Luis.
I'm gonna go there. Just wait.
For how long?
Like 2 minutes.
2 minutes?
Yeah.
Sige na.
Go there.
At tignan mo po, oh,
For 2 minutes.
pinapahirapan mo si Kuya Nathaniel. 2 minutes,
okay,
ha?
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kuya Nathaniel. I don't know to him. He's very, shy.
That's okay. I'll learn to speak Tagalog so that I can tonight. Alright, Kuya Luis is coming in 2 minutes. I convinced him.
Just gonna wait for nanay, then you can get the facilities.
Take a shower. Bought like American snacks. Santalong. Oh my gosh.
Did you
I
see
Tito Ron, you can bless. Ay,
that what mama's music?
at bigger daw.
Oh yeah, this is
The
small.
metal side?
Metal side? No.
Oh no, Tito. Sino nasa sa'yo ba yun, Tito?
Dos por dos.
Metal
It's a beautiful Lola. Ay, nasa si Martin?
Tinignan po nila yung aso. Pinuntahan po nila yung aso. Travis. Wala bang aso doon?
Ano ulit? Si Malos?
Ah, si Malos.
Laging close kami ni Malos nung pinakawalan ko siya.
It's Tito Ron. Nag-bless ka na.
You're here. You're so quiet. I didn't see you.
Hmm.
Hindi kikita ikaw.
Look!
Hindi kita-kita. Is that say right?
Hindi kita.
Hindi kita nakita.
Na pumasok.
Oh no, ikaw. Ikaw is you though, right? But you don't need to say it. It's already implied.
Tito Ron, baka pwede mo nang i-ano. Para mapanood nila to balang. Thank you.
No way
You
standing up so
do you play sports?
perfectly. No way standing up so perfectly. No way.
Volleyball.
Volleyball? Really? Are you?
We're not that great.
Oh, it's okay. But you know how to like bump, spike, set.
Lumalabas na yung galing ni Ate Mika.
Slide. Did you play high school for your
Standing
team
up
in high school?
Like varsity.
Varsity?
Grabe, Kuya Martin.
Oh!
Wala intro.
What is intro?
Nasaan siya? Sa mga aso.
Against like grade level, even grade level.
Oh, in school.
Yeah.
So just in school, okay. What position?
Libero.
Libero? Didn't you? I think you also played libero, right?
Yeah, I did.
So, do you know how to play volleyball? Kuya Luis? You know? Maybe we'll teach you, and then you teach me how to play basketball. Oh. Yeah, I definitely want to play that. She plays track now. She runs.
Oh, track and field. How far you can go?
No, I do the 200-meter events.
Just how many?
Is that short?
It's pretty.
I'd say mall. Mahaba.
Wala sila.
What about short?
Yeah.
Nagpagupit to eh.
Oh, this maggot. You can start.
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you gonna sit, Christy? I'll help you.
You know your Lola, you know your Lola Letty, ano, always, yeah.
Since when I was in grade
Same pala kayo na eh. Mahaba ng buhok niya na eh.
Oo, nagulat na ako eh.
Mana sa inyo yun.
Hindi, when I was in high school, my hair is up.
Ala, si Lola Letty, alam niyo, magaling din sa English to.
Is what? I would say bun Tagalog. Wait. What about Kapampangan?
Kapampangan yun, nasan? Kapampangan eh. Makaintindihan.
Ano po, naintindihan po niya pero hindi nakakasalita.
Kumusta yung biyahe?
Okay lang.
Oh. Ang galing ah.
Hindi siya. How about me po? Kumusta yung biyahe?
This is for Cassie.
Mabuti. How about Martin?
Ah, yan po talaga hindi.
To you in immigration.
Jacob, Sir Tita Rose.
Nagalo sila ng regalo
What's your
nila.
problem in immigration? What's the problem?
Wait, did we bring the shoe? Oh wait, no, that's what? Tita, Sir Tita Annalise.
Because you are underage?
Kailangan,
Jacob, Tita Richie.
Kailan lumuha sila? Tita
They
Bas.
wanted,
Gab.
I don't know for your
Gab.
Gabin.
So thank you.
They send
Gabin.
You got a gift.
immigration.
Go.
Bakit
Si
kailangan
Daddy.
pa nilang bumalik sa immigration?
you need to come back in the immigration.
Ito.
Kailan?
Pero ano, application lang yun to for
Okay.
extension ng isang araw.
Cassie.
Mm-mm.
No.
Gab
I
gab.
think because of your
Oh,
birthday.
Yeah.
Go, Gavin.
Kasi ano na yung
Di ba
nakalagay.
ticket nila?
Yung nakalagay na ay ano, 30 days lang yung inalaw na ano.
Ano sa ticket?
Sa embassy. Pero yung sa ticket, hanggang 31 days.
What?
ang
I
embassy.
thought
Where
you
is the
So, ang
embassy?
sabi ng where is the papa ng officer sa immigration?
Hindi ba dala yung Philippine passport? Nag-iwan sila.
Tapos sinend lang ni papa sa kami mama yung passport nila na
Yo,
nakita.
why is it?
Si
Okay
AJ
naman.
mo, 1 month siya.
Mm.
1 month. Then
Baka
10
dahil ano
days.
dahil, baka dahil may minor talaga silang kasama.
Siguro di ano. Kay Martin.
Yeah.
Not your country.
Gabi, gusto Gabi.
Oh, so
Bagay, diba?
Jay, anong ano ni Gabi? Mga
Tito,
Some of the...
Tito Mon. Oh, that's for Tito Mon.
What?
give it to nanay.
Food for bed.
For Tito Mon.
You know, food for bed.
Wala. Sino? Baka napanganak mo na.
Roma.
Si
Mo, ano, parang kapilang
Mm.
Wait, you wait.
Sinitan na ako. Kasi
for Gabi.
Yeah.
This is for
No!
Gabi.
For Tito Mon again. For Tito Mon.
That's for you,
Oh, I
Gabi.
need help!
You need help? You give it to ate.
I have too many.
Tito Pipe?
Dito.
Run, bro, hold it for a second, hold it for a
how many
second.
is that many?
One. Guess what?
Nasa ulo ko pa siya.
You give this to Tito. Ron.
Me?
You know it, Tito Ron. Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yeah, Daddy of AJ.
Oh! No, look behind you. I need help. I need help.
Oh, that's right.
Gab, napamalo sa'yo ni daddy mo.
God, listen first. God,
What?
This is your belt. Pamalo sa'yo ni
what do you
daddy.
say? God, what do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm keeping.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Ryan. Tita James. That's where from. Yeah.
Ito na ito mga
These are snacks for America. Do you know Doritos? Have you tried Doritos? You've never tried Doritos? Really? Usually. Do you know?
Oh no, not
What
again.
is this? What about?
Hindi ka lulog ka na kailangan na.
Oh, don't want to. I'm trying to stop this.
Sa 27 pa lang.
Sayang, hindi siya
No.
The diet is like, but you know this.
I'm so happy.
Is this your go-to toothpaste?
Sana isa bunat ka natin.
Oh.
Kung kaso yung semester nila na yun. Ma-absent sila.
Bukas po nito, alis po kami.
Mamaya lang dito.
Ay, mamaya pala.
Saan ang ano nyo? Kasi ano namin kami, sa ano, dalhin din sila sa Olongapo. Kasi yung mother-in-law na dito may private resort sila. Tapos yun yun, nung nalaman ko, sabi ko sa'yo dahil anak nila na kaya lang naman sa kanila dahil galing na sila dumating.
Yeah.
Galing na sila dito kahit mag-overnight.
Olongga po yun. Iyan na natin, tignan po natin yung ano.
Tapos isang beses sana din sa Tagaytay, first cousin ni Tito Pedro. Matagal na kami in-invite kaya hindi pa kami nagpunta.
Yeah. Tagaytay o Baguio? Anong mas...
Same. Same sila ng ano. Malamig din kasi sa Tagaytay.
Ano po i-schedule natin? Kasi gusto natin dito ma-enjoy nila yung...
Para marami sila. Hindi, pagkagaling nyo ng ano, ng tawag dito, ng North, ilan days kayo doon?
4 days. So,
Gusto kami na.
Sabado uwi na kayo. Tapos ano yung susunod ninyo?
gusto nga po nung Lolo Mio tsaka si Inda, iikot to sila sa...
After, gusto daw sa amin nila
Point at a body part.
after sa north, sa south naman.
O saan sa South?
Nag-iisip pa po si Tita Flor kung ano pong...
Ano ba yung ano ba yung
Hindi, sa north hindi niya.
Norte din, yung Tagaytay. Norte din. South. Hindi kailangan makapalay.
Pwede naman yung dito na, Tagaytay, tapos doon, yung Batangas. Kung gusto nilang mag-Batangas.
Maganda rin sa Tagaytay. Hindi, kayo yata may iba kasi yung may contact ka, di ba? Yung
Yeah. Si Tita Jo po yung nag-ano tsaka si Tita Flor.
Tapos nila ng pagkabudbod, magbabatang kayo.
Hindi pa naman tuloy-tuloy na yun. Bali yung second week nila is dito sa...
O di sa schedule na natin yung sa Tagaytay. Para ma-inform namin sila yung anong araw.
Malaman natin kung ano po yung mga... Siyempre gusto po natin yun sa part sa inyo tsaka ano para yung ano po ba yung bonding.
Oo, yun nga. Tapos darating din kasi yung anak ni ano, one day luluwas tayo. Kasi gusto rin ni Kuya Ryan. Bakit yung pamilya ni Tito Bonnie, sila Ivy. Sabi ko, sige, kahit sa araw lang. Di ba babalik sila ng immigration?
Oh.
Sa market ata yun. Binanggit ni Papa sa court daw.
Sa araw na lang, sa immigration, malapit.
Yeah.
So, schedule na lang natin one day in Manila.
Tenga.
Opo.
Kila Tita Marlene, tsaka kila Lola Marlene. Para makita naman sila.
Oh.
And then this is
Mauna muna yung after nung ano ninyo, after nung North, Manila.
ulo.
Ulongga po na siguro na. Or kung hindi naman magawa agad yung ulongga po na. Kasi kasuhin na namin.
Ay, hindi. Sa Manila pala. Kailangan lang nila Len para... Kasi ang dating nila Len, alos. Darating sila Len.
Ano pa yun ay last week na.
Oo. Ay, June, August po. Kasi bali sa Manila. Schedule na natin yung August lang. First week of August yung Manila. Tapos, ilan mo na
Go
lang sa
back
akin.
in America, I have
Kung
to
pagkatapos mo sa nun, kung sa ano tayo, kung sa para may program yung kasi kailangan at least mga 2 days.
When I was
Magiging busy ho yung mga bata nito.
What age
Hindi mo nila mararamdaman yan. Kabilis lang ng isang taon sa kanila.
6? What are you? Are you?
Sa inyo kasi marami eh. Kami po,
You don't remember?
dito marami sila. Sa amin,
You know, in America, they do it when they're born. But it's religious year that you wait.
sino ba yun sa bahay?
I think I found it.
Why do they do it so
Si
late?
Flora kasi
Sila lang scared.
Oh, it's a sign of growing up.
Pa,
I need you to get them from
Oh,
Facebook.
tuna lang. Tuna kami rugokyan ini. Masaya na lang. Sasabihan mo na yung schedule mo kung ano yung susunod lakad. Kaya ba rin mo?
What do you mean?
How do you say joke?
Ha?
Put it over there. Put it over here in the toilet. Put it in the
You
toilet.
guys just say
You'll
joke.
see what will happen.
Oh, okay. Joke lang.
Nalumay.
Kumusta, Kuya Ray?
Put it on the toilet.
Kino-cover ko to para mapanood nila tsaka kayo.
I told you, stick it in the toilet.
Thank you sa Kuya Ray. Thank you sa nauwi yung mga bata. At least naging masaya lahat. Na lahat nanginginig kahapon eh. Kung sinong parang lumalabas. Kala nila yung mga bata na yung lumalabas sa
May surprise kaya ang ginawa sa kanila eh.
Wala po.
Sa hotel.
Ay, hindi po. Wala po yun.
Hindi nila lang pinapakita. Sabi niya, magbabaan na nga nila. Siyempre, sabi ko, sino?
Hindi po. Wala po yun. Nag-aagawan nga ako kami ni Tatang. Sabi ako na. Gusto ko nung lolo at ni lola maano talaga yung ano.
Kasama. Kasi makita namin. Sabi ni Rose, kasi nandito sila Tita Rose, kailangan mo sila kagabi. Hindi, Nay, sabi niya, kaya si Danilo sa si
Gusto ni Tatang ma-try yung 5-star hotel doon sa sa Emerald. Yung doon. Na-enjoy nila. Na-enjoy naman siguro nila Kuya Steve.
Business?
gusto nila si Nathan. Ang daming kumain pala.
Business or
Ayan po yung aming Kuya Ryan na poging-pogi. Asawa po ni ate.
Bata pa yung dating.
Oh, parang lang, kasing edad ko lang,
Parang kasing edad ko lang.
Tignan nyo, katekra mo.
Mas bata pa tingin.
I finally got the clock.
Siyempre, nagmanap.
Si Ate Jane, sa work ka niyan, Kuya Ray. Okay. So, paano? Kuya Ray? Ay, napakababait nila. Napakabait. Napakagaling. Napakaganda ng pagpapalaki nyo. Oh, lalo na si si Martin behave. Tsaka alam mo yung alam mo yung lumaki silang may gabay ng pamilya, ay ng mabuting nanay at tatay. Yung yung inyo namang yung sakripisyo nyo naman at saka yung pagpapagod dyan, napakaganda ng bunga.
Thank you. Ay, pare-pareho na ako mga
Kaya ingat kayo dyan. Kuya Ray, ingat kayo dyan.
kayo din, lalo na sa biyahe niya mamaya.
Oo. Huwag kang mag-alala sa mga bata. Pero sabi ko kaya gusto kong malaman mo. Sabi ko, ano bang gusto anong gagawin namin para mapapasaya kayo? Sabi ko kay Kuya kay Nathaniel, sabi niya yung makasama lang namin kayo, Tito, okay na daw. Parang,
Si Nathan,
Oh,
Parang Steven din.
nakakaano yung puso nila.
Like your math?
Sige.
Ingat, Kuya Ray. Ingat kayo ha, Kuya Ray. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Kunukuha ko yung moment para mapanood din nila ito balang araw.
Kaya nga, thank you.
Welcome, Kuya Ray. Ingat. Ingat,
Kaya
ingat.
Ate Jane mo niya.
Yeah, I forget. Dito. The summer break. Oh, how do you say forget? Ikaw nakalimutan. What I learned.
Nire-ready po niya ba?
Nakalimutan mo na tutunan mo?
No, how do you say? I also forget.
Go eat it.
Nakalimutan ko.
Nakalimutan ko
Din yung pinag-aralan
din
ko.
yun
What happened to Boo?
pinag-aralan ko.
Bro, what happened to Boo?
Umano pa eh, pumasok ulit po niya sa
Nathan, do you have a girlfriend?
Ikaw, Tito. Huwag mo muna.
Change topic,
Change topic. Baka mag-asawa ng di oras.
Nathan, my son has a girlfriend.
Ha?
Gabi,
Call, yeah. That's her girlfriend.
W Riz! W Riz! Do you know what W Riz is though? So fun.
Kasundo sila na isang taon lang po yung
Excuse me.
W Riz.
Kuya Nathaniel, excuse me lang. Baka matawagan mo si Tita Jo. Baka makahabol si Kuya.
Tahimik si Nicole.
Oh, parang nakikita ko si Ate Jane sa kanya.
gusto namin nakikinig siguro.
You're so blessed you have mama and papa like them. Promise. To have ate like ate,
Sila
I'm so blessed that I have Ate Jane.
Salamat po mga pa. If you're watching.
Mm.
Oh.
Oh.
Tuturo kaya volleyball.
Mamaya mo daw, inaya po ako eh. Inaya po ako.
Oh, when are we leaving?
9.
9 p.m. You think we'll have time to play?
Maybe 5 p.m.
5?
Pwede na.
It could be
Diba, alas 5 pa.
first we'll do the siblings versus
Yeah.
Grace, Noah, and then I'll play with you. Me and
1v1.
oh, I'm not sure.
Okay na po yung doon sa
If Ryan really good.
sa bahay nila dito.
How do you say you're good?
Magaling.
Magaling ikaw
Wala pa. Kaya
basketball.
kung mga lasing
Oh, magaling ka sa volleyball. Salamat. Salamat.
Tama na lang.
Kapatid mo, sige ito, medyo umanya pagka masyadong napagod.
Too much ka.
Do you have cousin?
Yeah, I do. I have eyes. Wala.
Oo.
Siguro pagka ano na lang, pag uwi namin, pabisita kami doon.
You know what? Let me.
All I'm thinking about is Spanish. Tengo asma. Tengo tener is to have. So,
Ready
tengo
na
I
ako
have.
na po.
How do you say I have? Tagalog there?
Meron ako.
Meron ako asthma. Unfortunately, how do you say unfortunately?
Hindi sa inaasahan?
Hindi sa inasaan.
Hindi sa inaasahan.
Hindi sa inasaan.
Inaasahan.
Oh. Inaasaan.
Kapampangan, low age.
Mm.
Inaasahan.
Nasaan? Nasaan?
Sa Kapampangan
Nasaan? Isn't
Uh,
that weird?
Pampangan don't
Yeah.
have age.
That's weird. Nasaan is where, right?
You have a blood of Kapampangan. I heard already. You said Nasaan.
Yeah, it's Kapampangan word.
Where are you?
Asahan.
Oh, Asahan.
Yeah.
Where
Asahan.
are you? You know what I'm gonna do?
Hmm.
Ate Mika, kailan kayo naging friend ni Ate AJ?
Since grade 4.
Grade 4. Kasi sa school. Okay.
See you later.
How do you say, you guys are friends for a long time?
Mm.
See you later. Ourselves like no, di ba dati? Minsan.
Mm.
Siblings?
Before we thought we were cousins.
I thought we were cousins.
Because
Are you guys not?
Steve is my cousin.
Are you guys not cousins?
No, no.
Oh, but like you guys are just really close.
Yeah.
Soul sister.
Soul sister.
Mm.
You're the
Thank you, Ate AJ, for being a good friend to my pamangkin.
Ikaw, good friend.
Sorry.
Para me. No, that's Spanish.
Four.
How do you say four? You are a good friend to me.
Wait, no, yeah, it's the same. Para sa akin.
Para sa
But
akin.
instead of saying
Para sa akin,
yeah.
ikaw ang ikaw ay
Good. Do you know how to say good?
magaling friend. How do you say cousin?
Don't go near me. I'm too
Pinsan.
powerful.
Yeah.
Magaling
No,
pinsan.
mabuting.
Oh,
Mabuting.
mabuting pinsan. Ikaw. Para sa akin. Sa akin.
Sa akin.
Sa akin. I have a lot to learn.
Mm.
Oh, wait.
When you don't know, you ask Siri.
Siri?
Yeah, all of your questions, Siri can answer.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'll do that. Let's try. Oh, I don't have any.
Bro.
You guys have any questions for me? How's it like in Chicago, or what's different?
What's the difference between Chicago and Mapaniki?
Mapan. Oh, it's a lot more humid here.
Bro, you
Very hot. Very mainit here because
bro, you wanna see? Bro, you
sobrang
wanna see?
mainit. It's
Bro, look at this. Look at this.
the degrees or Fahrenheit. It's around the same, but since it's more humid here, it makes
I
it
see
feel
you.
a lot
Hello.
hotter. But over there, it's a hot but like dry. Alright. Not dry, like moist.
No.
Humid is like what? Moist? It's like that kind of sticky feeling.
Oh.
But malaki.
Malakit.
Pero in Chicago, it's you don't get that feeling. It's just hot, but windy as well. It's called the Windy City,
Always next.
Chicago.
Get ready to
And driving it's more organized in the Chicago. How do you say it's messy here? Not in a bad way. You know, it's magulo ang carros dito.
Sasakyan.
Sasakyan dito.
Close the door in your hair. So, yan position ng drive. Diba?
Oh, it's the same.
Kuya Martin, you let
Right? In Japan and in UK.
Oh, here's a bell.
On the right side.
No. But you want to see something cool? What? Look at this.
Oh, but pero ang kumain.
I think I broke the game
Kami?
too much.
I say food.
Pagkain.
Pagkain.
Just a combo.
Ang pagkain
Yo, you're lagging.
is
you-
masarap.
Dito.
At sa Chicago.
Martin. Mga tao.
Mga nakano.
Mga
No, kakain.
Hey.
Tawag mo si Kuya Dave. Ano daw? Nandun na? Ah, okay.
I know.
No.
Ito ay lang po namin.
Go look at this.
Sige na, sabay na.
Why is it like that?
Ay, sige, tita. Thank you po. At tita tuloy. Masaya na po akong makitang masaya ho yung mga bata.
Tama.
Yung Wall of Fame. Parang yung ano doon. Past. No, angkan.
Oh my gosh! Is that Papa?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nagulat siya, oh.
Sa panganay.
What? Do I look?
Sino?
Yeah, that's
Sino
your
pamukha?
papa.
Ah, si Martin.
Martin.
But you look...
Who's that?
Yeah, may Martin pala, no?
When he graduates high school? Is this high school? College. He still looks young for college. He's serious.
Then dito Ron, the second, sa boys, the second.
Wall of
Who's
Fame.
that?
Yan po si ate, si kuya. Grabe ni Kuya Steve, kagwapo dito. Kuya Steve,
Chubby-chubby pa yung
you're so handsome here, ah.
Nandiyan ba si Steve?
Opo.
Ayaw kasama siya.
Dalete, thank you po sa ganitong mga pagtago ng pictures.
Si Richie.
Ah,
Si Richie lang pati yung mga lahat ng ano namin sa bahay, cabinet.
Okay.
Sa may si Richie lahat, pati yung TV room na si Richie.
eto, iano ko ka Tekram. Si kuya po yung panganay, si Kuya Ryan. Sumunod si ate Ruth.
Ito.
Ay, sumunod si ate Ruth. Ayan po ang gagwapo po din ng mga anak.
Yan.
Sumunod po si ate Joy. Sunod po si Rose. Ito po si Rose.
Yan, si
That's Tito Boom. That has to be. That's Tito
Ayan.
Boom.
Nakasama ko po sila sa Manila nung college. Si ate Joy, si ate Ruth,
si Sobi,
And Tito Honey.
yan si Ron,
si Kuya Ron, si Boom.
Boom Boom.
This is nanay and lolo. Okay, first guy.
Ayan. Sumunod. Yan, bunso. Pinakagwapo lahat yung bunso.
Maganda si Lola.
Ayan o.
Lola Letty.
Oh,
Yung sunod-sunod po yun.
Silver.
this is the...
Oh, how do you say it? Guapo. Guapo si, guapo si,
Ito yung mga apo.
who's
Ito yung
this?
kay Pila Jane.
Looks like Kuya June.
Yeah, it looks like Jacob.
Oh my gosh.
That's Tita Ruth.
He looks like Nana.
Tingnan na si Kuya niyo baka dumating.
Okay, here we go. This is Martin. This is you. This is me and Kuya John Paul. This is Kuya John Paul.
Ah, si Kuya John Paul.
I like that photo. This is Chelsea. Ito, tingnan nyo. Chelsea.
Wow, my beautiful pamangkin. Oh.
I don't mind this.
Kinis.
Ay,
It's, grabe, kaya kagwapo ni Kuya Steve, si Nicole, si Nathaniel, tsaka si Martin. Ayan po sila.
see? This is AJ. Liam. Liam, Min, Jacob.
Si James, kilala nila. James, to, si James.
James?
Let's keep it. See.
You're so handsome there. To your graduation picture.
Like you.
Kuya John Paul with his girlfriend?
No, it's only it's partner.
Oh. Oh, for what?
A wedding.
Whose wedding was that? Do you know?
I don't remember. That's all. That's Navy P. Do you remember this one? First time.
2019.
Yeah, 6 years ago?
Already
Almost
6
6 years.
I want my Metamona scatter.
Nalait na.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm a murderer. I'm a murderer.
Sa inyo pong kaalaman, si Indang Leti ay isang teacher, napakagaling na guro
Tayo na ko,
ng Mapaniki, Candabo, Pampanga.
sabi mo, retired na.
A retired teacher.
7 years.
Mm. Pero yung pong pangungopia ko dati, Danleti, na nakikita niyo ba yung 90 degrees ng mata ko dati? Sila po yung teacher na naawa na lang ho sa akin para ipasa po ako.
Hindi po, ano po yan, masipag, mag-aral, at saka po super bait.
Naku.
Super generous po niya talaga since bata pa siya. Very generous po
Hindi
siya.
naman.
Tsaka very loving parents. Very loving family po siya. Loving wife, loving children, loving people.
Naku. Mahalikan ko si Inda.
Totoo naman, that's true.
Pinapakilala ko si si lola mo. Sabi ko isa siyang retired teacher.
Dati po, lagi akong sumasama kay nanay sa school. Nagtatago po ko sa ilalim ng table para makabanding ko siya. Tapos si lolo nun dito, si lolo Mio, susunduin ako doon. Nakatakin ako sa ilalim ng table na
Alam mo,
Mm.
hindi, gusto nga niya sa school, dahil isikaro ko upunin siya.
Yeah.
Gusto magpapayak sa akin, yakap-yakap ko, kasi malaglag yung salamin ko, ayaw sumama kay mami. Mag-aaltakan ka.
Kasi nung bata po ako, talagang mas malapit po ako sa Lola Leti and Lolo Pino.
Siyempre, masisiyam na kasi busy sila pare, na palagi silang wala.
Si Lolo nun.
Yeah.
Saka kadalasan po may mga ko, kalaro ko dito. Hindi man nag-iisa pa ako dito.
Dito ka mag-play.
Kain pa.
Yeah. Ang ganda ng mga picture, no? Wala akong masabi sa mga picture.
Mamaya na kayo magkano. Asan sila ano? Asan sila nito?
Si Dave. Tapos ka na si Dave.
And then me.
Mm.
Si Tita Jo kasi hawak si Raven. Tulog daw, kaya hindi makakaalis.
Parating na ba si Kuya Dave? Pinapahabol ko si Kuya Dave Katekram. Sayang yung banding ng mga magpipinsan. Makakahabol daw ba si Kuya?
Ako tita. Yung assembly po.
Ano po, bago akong yung mag-alala, kukunin ko lang itong moment. Gusto ko po i-share sa inyo, Katekram, si Lola Leti.
Steve, dito ka na.
Ano na yata eh. Dapat mapatayuan din ng rebulto eh.
Sobra ka naman.
Isa sa mga kumbaga inaangaan kong isang nanay. Tsaka si Lolo Pijo. Hindi inaano ko, Kuya Steve. Ay! Yung inaano ko yung pagiging teacher ni ni Lola mo. Siyempre sa mga ganyang wag natin kalimutan magpasalamat sa mga taong binago niya yung buhay. Diba?
Extended yung care niya sa
mga estudyante niya.
Travis.
Si kuya mo. Naku, yung mga bata ngayon yata.
Pinakilala ba niya yung friend niya sa'yo? Is that Maxine? Ha? Is that Maxine?
Yeah.
Yung friends niya yan, nag-aaral sa St. Mary's, grade 2 na sa pasukan.
Pero yung mga anak ko, Lola Leti, hindi ko pinaggaganyan.
Ay, dapat.
Mm.
Yung anak ni Rose, yun nga. Parang nakakabang.
Kasi may sinturon. Alam po nila pag
May oras. Kailangan.
Hindi po, kahit sa edad doon nila, hindi pa talaga.
Dapat.
Kasi
dapat mag-aan yan at least 5 to 6 years ang start ng pag-aano nila.
Nasaan po si Kuya Ron? Sisinturunin ko ang tatay.
Hindi pa well-develop yung mind nila. Kasi napipressure yung ano nila. Kaya
Gusto po-
minsan, di ba, merong nagiging hindi ano yung isip nila.
Ayun, pagka ano nyo, di ba, parang nag-ano po siya, di ba, pagka susuwayan nyo, di ba?
Hindi kakain kung hindi ako.
Gusto nyo po, kunin ko yung... Hindi po, hindi po, yung tatay kasi hindi mo makikinig sa akin ganyan. Yung tatay,
Ito madaling matakot sa basta dahil hindi matatakot. Kaya ikaw ang magtakot. Oh, listen.
Kuya Gavin,
Lolo Tetra.
can you, can you eat muna?
Listen daw. Oh, you stop.
It's
You
not
close
good
one.
for the children always playing iPad
Oh, listen, listen.
because she will get,
He's also a teacher.
yeah.
Teacher in St. Paul, your school. He's one of your teacher in your grade 1. So you turn off first. Turn off.
Yeah, you eat
Very
first.
fine naman.
Yeah, you eat first muna, no?
To Tito, no?
You're not allowed using iPad while you're eating, okay?
You lend it to Kuya Travis first while you are eating. Ay, Travis, you eat.
Kumain na siya na eh.
Ha? Baka almusal yung kinain.
Kuya Gavin, you eat na.
Lunch? Sige, you play. Ay, teach you.
Saan si Kuya Ron? Nasaan yung papa mo? Papaluin ko yung papa mo.
Asan sila nila? Samahan mo na sila dito.
Opo, wait lang.